Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at 3 things we love about the Bosch Series 4 dishwasher. You can control it from your phone, there's a light to let you know that it's running, and your dishes come out ready to be put away. So we're going to head over to the lab to take a look at things in a little bit more detail. You can use your phone to manage your dishes, which is really handy if you're not at home, or if you just can't be bothered to get up off the sofa and pause what you're watching. You can just go into the Home Connect app and do everything from here. So you can adjust your settings, it will also suggest the right cycle for each load, and you can even add your favourite programmes to the quick selection options as well. It just takes all of the hassle out of doing the dishes. You'll never have to worry about accidentally opening the door mid-cycle thanks to Info Light. So this projects a really handy red light onto the floor whilst it's running, so you know not to open the door. Once the cycle's finished, it allows you to take all your dishes out and pop them straight into your cupboard without the need for a tea towel to do all of that extra drying. And this is due to the extra dry function, which uses extra high temperatures and a longer drying phase to ensure that everything is dried really thoroughly. If you'd like any more info on this Bosch Series 4 dishwasher, you can visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.